Heather Johnston, broker with the Mulligan Realty Group through RE/MAX Center City, with this week's episode of the Monday Market Update. Before I jump into the numbers, let's just say happy Groundhog Day. I'm not sure how everyone feels about a groundhog predicting whether or not we'll have an early spring or 6 more weeks of winter, but anyway, Wyerton Willie here in Ontario has predicted that we will have an early spring, so yay Wyerton Willie. If you are in the States, Puxatawny Phil has said that there will be 6 more weeks of winter. So I'm not sure which one you want to believe. Personally, I'm glad to be Canadian and hopefully that we do have an early spring. So anyway, moving on to the numbers. So we are starting to see that increase in all our numbers, which is quite lovely to see. So our new listings is sitting at 176, which is up from 165 last week. Our firm deals, so firmly sold, just waiting for closing, is sitting at 71, which is up from 62 last week. Our conditional sales were at 76, which is up from 68. And then our price decreases were actually at 38, down from 40. So yes, we are starting to see that market pick up, which is typical. We're into that first week of February. We've kind of got the holidays over. Everyone's been settled in, back into new routines of work and school and all those things. So we're seeing that sort of on the rise. Our price decreases sitting at 38 over 40 from last week is making us realize that our sellers are maybe a little more realistic. There is the competition. We are in a buyer's market. They're pricing their properties to sell. So it is nice to see those numbers kind of coming down and staying a bit lower. We also saw the Bank of Canada rate announcement last Wednesday, which held its rate. And that is something that I think we've all kind of predicted that it would just hold. So we're in kind of a stable market. So no crazy interest ups and downs. So buyers are realizing that now is probably the time to buy, considering we are in a buyer's market. We're going to start seeing more inventory come on the market as spring pops up. So if you are thinking of selling this spring, maybe now's the time to get prepared. Meet with your real estate agent, whether that's us or someone that you have been working closely with before. Maybe jump on the opportunity to get out before that April-May market where we're going to see those inventory numbers rise again. So if you are thinking of selling or buying, by all means, feel free to reach out to us here at the Mulligan Realty Group. We would love the opportunity to help you. Either myself, my business partners, Ryan Mulligan or Emma Wright, would love the opportunity to meet with you and discuss your options. Again, I'm Heather Johnston, broker with the Mulligan Realty Group through RE/MAX Center City. I hope you have a great week.